Every day, 7 people die in home fires in the United States, highlighting the importance of working smoke alarms. It's important to maintain your smoke alarms to make sure they're functional, like changing the batteries twice a year. It's also recommended to never take your smoke alarms down. It could be the difference between a life or death situation.
Smoke alarms have been around for, decades. And still we go into homes and people have them disabled. The batteries will be removed. They will have been removed because they were sounding and annoying people. They were going off at inopportune times. And it's just disappointing.
He went on to say that if your smoke alarms are sounding in a non-emergency, you can take them down and vacuum them to clean dust and bugs out, which is most likely the reason that they're sounding. Of course, make sure to put the smoke alarms back up properly.